What's up, guys? We're out here in front of the Mark 1 Rabbit. First video on this channel. Just gonna go through a couple things about the car, kind of details and stuff. We're gonna take a look at the engine and see some of the plans for the car, but obviously not give away all of them. So let's jump right into it. Here it is, my 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit. I bought this car in Virginia. The car originally had a 1.6 diesel engine in it. I took the engine and transmission out and sold it to a friend of mine, so I'm starting with a blank canvas. This car only has a couple dents on the exterior, and it's for the most part in pretty good shape as far as the outside is concerned. The inside is a totally different story. As you can see, the floor pans are pretty rotted, as well as some other rust spots on the car. And it's no big deal. I'm in contact with a bodywork guy, and we're gonna get it all worked out, get fresh metal to replace all the rust. I'm not gonna do that kind of work myself because I don't have a TIG welder, and I really don't have the welding skill to fix that kind of stuff. But other than a little bit of rust, there's not a whole lot of damage. Probably going to convert those long tail lights to short ones, and maybe a couple other things with the bodywork. There's some moss growing in the car because water was leaking into it. I'm going to get that fixed as well. But yeah, this is just a little overview of the car, and kind of see what we're working with on the interior. I've stripped away most of it because this is going to be a race car build. Here's the engine bay. Like I said, the engine's gone, so it's kind of just a crusty engine bay, and there's some rust, and I also have some rust right here, and there's also some rust on the other side of the engine bay as well, in the same spot as the passenger side. But we're probably going to pull the fenders and get that ready for the body guy to fix that as well. I want this car to pretty much be back to perfect condition once I'm done with it, so we're going to get a lot of this rust taken care of, if not all of it, and go from there. A good benefit of this car was that it came with all the metal to replace the things that are rusted. I have brand new floor pans, I have brand new inner and outer rockers. The only metal I don't have is the metal that would be welded into the engine bay, but I'm working on getting that, and we'll see how things go from there. But for now, this is the car, and this is just kind of like a time lapse of me cleaning it out. The car came with some Recaro design seats out of a Mark III. I took them out and sold them. I'm wanting to put some racing seats in it, and basically keep the interior pretty stripped, but I might come up with some different ideas as things go. We'll just see how it works out. That's about it for my talking part of the video, so enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, what's up, guys? I did film a time lapse on this, and my camera actually died, and then when I went to import the video, it took forever. My computer kept freezing and whatnot, so basically what I did was removed the AC lines. Obviously that one's still in there. We're gonna get it taken out soon. I've removed all the wiring harness completely. Basically so the body guy can get to the rust areas in the engine bay without much issue. We're going to remove the fenders soon, and yeah. Alright guys, we're here in the garage. This is the VR6 that will be going into the Mark 1 Rabbit. This obviously is not in the proper position. It's just like that because it's stored in the garage for right now. I do need a new oil cooler as well as an oil filter housing, and just a few other parts. I'm going to be trading or selling and buying another intake. This is a 2.9 clone intake. I've heard mixed results with the 2.9 clone, but mainly negatives, so I want to go back to a stock intake manifold. And but yeah, that's the engine, and it's gonna be a VR6 swapped Rabbit, and it's gonna be fun. Hope you guys will follow the process with me.